Okay. Sagutin natin yung wala raw, marami nagsasabi na wala raw basis ang low carb and intermittent fasting na tinuturo natin since 2018. Wala raw siyang basis yung LCIF. So let's give them the benefit of the doubt. So for a change, let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Baka naman talagang hindi nila alam, no, ng mga nagsasabi na merong basis ang LCIF. So it just so happened that lately na-compile na, no, ng school na inattendan ko, online school na inattendan ko with regard to low carb and intermittent fasting, or low carb in particular. Na-compile na nila, no, into a medical textbook, no, low carb medical textbook. So ito, no, nandito yung basis ng sinasabi natin, no, about LCIF, or yung low carb and intermittent fasting. So nandito lahat. So as I've mentioned kahapon sa Facebook and LinkedIn ko, no, I have pledged to donate a free copy of this 5,000 pesos low carb medical textbook to various major government and non-government organizations, no, na related of course sa wellness, para naman they would have a copy of their own and be able to start learning about LCIF, and hopefully via the free copy they would understand, they would be able to share, no, to the public na oo nga, LCIF is okay pala. LCIF pala can make you healthier pala talaga, address a lot of metabolic illnesses or syndromes, and of course as a side effect sa mga matatagal ng obese, papayat. So it is my hope, no, na through the donated book, they will teach LCIF na. So mas marami ang makakaalam ng LCIF if they, no, yung mga conventional experts would be teaching it to the public. So I'll be giving a free copy on or before, hopefully by Nutrition Month this year, 2024. I'll be giving a copy sa Office of the President, sa House of Representatives, sa Senate of the Philippines, sa DOH, of course, Department of Health, and I'll be giving it a copy to the largest medical association, no, yung mga association ng doctors, association ng dietitians, association ng fitness trainers na rin, no, and of course yung association na tinatag noong 1990s dito sa Pilipinas, na ang mandato aralin, no, kung paanong ma-prevent, paanong ma-reverse ang obesity, no, ang PASOO. So I'll be giving a copy to them, to these organizations, and let's set aside, no, yung ating bickering, yung ating bangayan, no. Nakakapagod na yung bangayan na yan. Let's unite, no, and truly help the Filipinos, no, become healthier starting this 2024. Okay?